So here's where we are. We're getting the bank cleared. Still all the gubbins down here. It's going to be a while, I think, before we can get rid of those. Yeah, we're just getting a little bit more planted. Let's go have a look at what we've got. So we've got the rasps, the shrubs. We've got 3 or 4 blackcurrant bushes in as well. Got the rhubarb in there. It was doing fine till the dog ran over it, but I think it'll recover. You probably can't see them from a bunch of wild raspberries in here, and it was a lot bigger originally. We weren't actually quite sure if we're going to keep them in at all, because it makes more sense just to dig them up and move them somewhere else, a less productive area of the garden. If we're growing raspberries, we want to grow a good cultivar of raspberries, so that's the plan with them. Yeah, we're really pleased about the medlar tree. I thought it had died, but there's some nice healthy buds on. I think it's going to survive. Let's get planted. So first up we have honeyberry. So a couple of things you want to know about honeyberry. They grow in any soil, pretty much. You know, neutral, slightly acidic, slightly alkaline. Does not phase them. So they'll be fine here on our acidic soil. They like to be moist but not waterlogged. That's why they like a bit of organic matter and mulch. Again, it's not something we really need to worry about here. There's something to bear in mind. And they're going to get about 4 foot tall, about 1.2 meters. So it's not going to grow like a regular honeysuckle. It's not going to creep and act as a ground cover. It very much is going to be in our shrub layer of the woodland garden. So that's just a few things you want to bear in mind. The way you prune them can be quite specific, but we'll do that in a later video probably next year. These certainly don't need pruning right now, and they like to be in full sun. Yeah, they like to get a full amount of sun. It really helps ripen the wood, which helps it overwinter in a cold winter. And you want to plant them about now. You don't want to plant them when we're going to get heavy frost. So you want to plant them towards the end of winter, beginning of spring. It's ideal. And they'll get up and away, and they'll get a nice early start. So we're going to place these, and then we're going to get them planted. So we've got black currants here. We very much want to continue that shrub layer. So we're thinking maybe stagger them something like that. You know, they're going to top out about this kind of height. That'll do them. I've also got a couple of other plants. Got a blackcurrant sage, one of my favourite plants. Beautiful pink flowers. The leaves are they smell fantastic of blackcurrant. Really make a nice tea. Nice little morale boost. And what this woodland setup's missing is a herbaceous perrenial layer. Also some lovage. Can't go wrong with lovage. As you can see, it needs repotting. Big time. So we're going to plant it out. Nice celery flavoured herb. So this is a year old, cut in. And I want to cut it quite hard back. See, you've got some of these green shoots here. I'm just going to cut it back to them. Again, this is the time of year I'll usually cut these. I found all this straggly stuff gives it a bit more frost protection in the winter. And you can see a lot of that's dead wood. There isn't much green in there. So get that out of here. So we probably want our herbaceous perennial layers going to come up through here. And we've already got some asparagus where those sticks are under the ground. Grew them from seed 2 years ago, so hopefully they come up. And again, that will start our herbaceous perennial layer off. So another thing we're going to do today, I was talking about these wild raspberries earlier. I think we are going to leave them in, but they're going to form a good shrub layer around our tree that we're going to put in. This is a cherry plum. We held it in last year and we moved up. Very tough plant. Nowhere near as fussy as a normal cherry or a plum tree. And the fruits are still quite tasty on it. That's going to sit about there. And it's going to form a nice little sub layer between this big elder down here. It's going to connect it to the wild raspberries and connect it to the rest of the woodland garden there. So that's the plan with that as well. I've left my rabbit spirals at work, so I'm just going to have to risk it. Same as the other trees and shrubs. But if you've got rabbits, you ideally want to be protecting. And we do have rabbits here. So we're going to get this bank cleared up and get this planted as well today. That's it all planted and mulched. Gets the rest of them in as well. Honeyberries and whatnot. Another important point with honeyberries, let me see if I can get it to focus. Another important point is here's the flowers. Nice little nondescript lime green flowers. I'll stick some photos up because the camera doesn't really want to zoom in on it. But yeah, what I'm trying to say is they need a pollinator. So they need another honeyberry, preferably of a different type, a different cultivar, or something else in the honeysuckle family that can pollinate it. So my advice is go online and research a bit, see what you can find. From what I understand though, there aren't many that are particularly self-fertile, and having that extra plant to pollinate it really makes a difference with the berry set. So that's all for today. As you can see, it's project as a whole is slowly moving on. Hope it was useful to some of you, a bit helpful. So this is our forest garden patch, starting to shape up. We've also gone ahead and removed all the wild rose, the Rosa rugosa. I've got some tatties in behind here. We did want them mulched with seaweed, but I don't think we're going to be able to go to the beach and get seaweed anytime soon. So we will just have to make do. There's definitely worse problems in life, eh? Not being able to get seaweed. And another discovery we made, I'll end after this, is under here. I thought it was all sorts of horrible stuff, but under these lumps used to be logs, and they've right down to this very, very nice soil here. As you can see, absolutely beautiful, but really shaded out. There's south, and there's some big honking sycamores in the way. So this soil is gonna be used to fill in and mulch, and it's gonna be really handy to have it actually. It's like having finished hugel mound compost on demand. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope it was enjoyable, hope it was useful, and everyone stay safe, and we'll see you soon.